Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to find and clear out the low quality accounts sitting in your following list using Circleboom's low quality following feature. First, open Circleboom. Click the following icon in the sidebar and select low quality following from the list. Then Circleboom shows you every account it's flagged as low quality based on a weak follower to following ratio and other credibility signals. In this account, that's 46 out of 164 total following. After that, scan the table. Each account shows tweet count, join date, follow ratio, and engagement level, so you can tell a genuinely low value account apart from a quiet one that's still worth keeping. Use filter options above the table if you want to narrow the list further by inactivity, follow ratio, or engagement. Once you're happy with the accounts in front of you, click the checkbox at the top of the table to select all of them at once. Then click Unfollow. Circleboom asks you to confirm how many profiles you're about to unfollow. So click Unfollow selected profiles to clear them all out in one go. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!